Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
In today's video, we're going to solve a common issue that some BookingKoala users face. If you've tried to add a new location to your BookingKoala form and found that the Locations tab isn't showing up in the drop-down menu, even though you've set location settings to name-based, don't worry, today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to fix it. Let's dive right in. First, in the left-hand sidebar, click on Settings, then click on General, and select Store Options. In the Location Settings section, make sure it's set to name-based. If it's not, change it to name-based and save your changes. Now let's move on to the second place where you can enable location settings. This one's inside the Industry settings. From the Settings menu, click on Industries. Select your specific industry from the list if you have more than one industry. Now click on Settings. Scroll down to the Form Settings section. Under Choose the forms you want to modify, find the form you're working with. Click Options, then Edit. Now look for the question, how would you like the system to manage your locations? Make sure it's set to name-based. By setting both your general and industry settings to name-based, the location option should now appear correctly in your form dropdown. Once you've made both of these changes, I recommend refreshing your page and clearing your browser's cache just to make sure the settings take effect. And that's it. You should now see the Locations tab show up in your form's drop-down menu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on BookingKoala and other awesome tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.